This is an internal message for all Project Zorgo members. The doomsday date has been set. That date is key equals S. Down. Coffee. Light bulb. Footprint. Anger. Envelope. Glasses. Flashlight. We will soon be recruiting new members. Stay tuned for a follow-up public video in a few days. And remember, Project Zorgo is watching.
The following message is transmitted at the request by the United States Department of Homeland Security and the Las Vegas Police Department. A mysterious event is occurring in the entire United States and the majority of planet Earth within the past 24 hours. At 6:20 p.m. yesterday, an unknown type of computer hacker was allegedly reported to be breaching multiple websites, including a video sharing website, YouTube. The hackers, who believe to be called as Project Zorgo, and claims in a video footage that was posted the day after YouTube was breached, that they have shut down YouTube, with the exception of its trending page. This has lasted for 1 hour until this situation was resolved by software engineers and cybersecurity users. The leader of Project Zorgo also made claims in a video footage that a second attack of this scale will take place on November 3rd. Their motives for these multiple website breaches is currently unknown. It is also unknown if any of their claims of a second attack, or these messages sent out by the hacking group, are accurate. Therefore, all residents in the United States who have Google or YouTube accounts must take the following actions. Tighten your security measures, if at all possible. Try to share any information regarding this current situation to anyone who can trust. If you think this situation is proven to be dire, disable or delete your account entirely. All internet users are advised not to open YouTube until the situation can be assessed. The YouTube website will remain open at this time, but will suspend all operations at any moment. Civil authorities, in conjunction with the Federal Bureau of Investigation and the Department of Homeland Security, are currently working in an effort to track down any of the perpetrators of this hacking group. If you notice strange or suspicious activity in your area, or if you see any of these perpetrators, dial 911 immediately. Do not try and engage them by yourself, as you may be putting your life at risk. If you must, the use of lethal force is authorized only if you can do so safely. Please continue to monitor local and internet sources for further information and updates.
I regret to inform you, my fellow Project Zorgo members, that our ability to take over YouTube.com has been destroyed. We've learned that vQuaint snuck into our headquarters and discovered the passcode, Zorgo Diffuse. Chad Wildclay, and Daniel were able to convince their viewers to spam the passcode across YouTube. Zorgo Diffuse was entered more than 1 million times, causing our code to self-destruct. This means war. We already have plans in motion to get Chad Wildclay arrested. We will now initiate similar plans for V and Daniel. Because too many people have decoded the Project Zorgo secret language, we are now changing the key. The key is no longer S. The key is now R. And always remember, Project Zorgo is watching.